In today's video, I am in Tollgate Village down in Thompson Station, Tennessee. And the goal of today's video is to take you guys with me on a walk so you can see what it's like in the front section here in Tollgate and what all the retail stores and restaurants that they have here, because I think it's just amazing. So first of all, I am right here at the entrance, which I think is beautiful. So let me see if I can't show you guys the entrance here. See how it's got, like, there's sidewalks on each side of the street, there's big tall trees. They really do it up around Christmas time also. They've got beautiful lights here. So I love the sidewalks here. If there's one thing I can tell you that is amazing about Tollgate Village, it would be that it is very walkable. And what I mean by that is there's just a lot of sidewalks, paths, little places like where I am right now with lots of like trees and landscaping that's beautiful, green space. I really love that about Tollgate. So, all right, the front section of the neighborhood is going to be where all the retail is. So as I'm walking here, you can see you come up to an intersection. This right here is kind of like the more main section here. Then you've got some stuff over there and over there. So let's start over here first. And what I want to do is, let me walk this way. I'm now in the middle of the street. And let me show you guys this right here. So first of all, right in front of us, we've got this Tollgate Wine and Spirits. And I will tell you, this is a really good wine and spirits store. They have really good selections. The customer service is awesome. I really love it. And what's cool about all these places here really is it's really easy to pull up and park and jump out. It's not that crowded here. So see all these spaces right here? I have found every time that I've come here to grab a bottle of wine or whatever, I can pull into one of these spaces really easily, jump out, get what I need, and move on. So yeah, I think they did a good job with it. I love how it's on the corner like this, nice brick, just really pretty. So let's go down here really quick, and I'll just show you the stores that are down here. This is called the Stretch Zone. So if you're not familiar with that, you basically pay a membership, or you can pay per time, and you can go there and they will help you stretch, which is very important. I think this is new. Yeah, and I don't want to, it looks like it's a skin, body, and wellness store called Vital, maybe I'm saying it wrong. They're not open yet. And down here on the end is the amazing Village Pizza Company. This is so good, y'all. And like at first it was a little deceiving because I saw that door and I figured there wasn't probably much space in there. But actually when you walk in, they've got a full bar on the right, plenty of seats, booths, and most important of all, the pizza and food and the sandwiches is really good. And they do have good drinks, which is pretty cool. Down straight ahead on the very right is what is called FastPace Health. So it is basically a walk-in clinic. So if you've got a sick child or you're feeling a little bit sick, that is a place that you can go and walk in and get treated. And then coming down here, there's dentistry here, dermatologists, pediatrics. So a bunch of stuff here in this building, which is cool. It gives you some different options if you're needing that type of stuff. All right, I am back. I didn't want to make you guys walk that whole time with me. So I am heading around the front of Tollgate Wine and Liquors. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop out right here. Isn't this beautiful? It's so funny how, you know, I think it's gonna be better, y'all, if I kind of head out right here. So this right here is a coffee shop called Settlers Coffee and Provisions, and it's one of my favorite. I almost go here every single day. It's just awesome. It's really cute, cool little place. It's not big, but I personally love it. Maybe I'll wave to them. Oh wait, they're waving. So you can see they got a cool place to like sit out here and hang out, and most important of all, their coffee is really good, which I love. Isn't that cool looking? Really cool. And they're open early, they're open on Sundays. And once again, I love it because I just come and park right here and then just run in really fast. I don't know, I just love the setting with these trees and everything like this. So let me see if I can't come out like this and show you guys. This right here is 𝐬𝐿𝐾 Dental right here in front of me. And this is where I go for my dentist also. And I love it. It's really, I just love how convenient it is. It's easy for me to pull up right here to this spot. They are super nice. Everyone's, you know, local, easy going, and most important of all, I get good treatment there. So this is called Studio 300. This right here on my right, let me come down here because it's a better view for you. This right here on the corner is called Mojo's Tacos. And it goes all the way down to that dance and theater building. And I will tell you, this place is awesome. It is well known. They've got several locations here in the Nashville area. And this was their first down in Thompson Station, and I absolutely love it. They have some of the best tacos, brisket tacos, cheeseburger tacos, stuff like that. Just stuff you don't get at like a Mexican restaurant. It's just different. So I very highly recommend them. It is just awesome. Check out this right here, y'all. So this is the roundabout that you come to on Tollgate Boulevard. And isn't it beautiful? They do such a good job, and there's a little fountain in the middle. Let me show you all the fountain while we're here. Look at that. I didn't realize you could walk up there. That's cool. All right, so let's head this way. Hold on for this car right here. Ambiance, organic nails and spa right here. So ladies, if you want to get your nails done, you can in fact get them done here. Really nice. I think they might live up above that. A lot of these are live work type places. So people live and work there. It looks like they are actually open maybe. That's interesting. We've got a salon here to get your hair cut, ladies. And then this over here is called New Moon Rising and Wellness. So yeah, I mean, I believe these are live work type places. Hey, how's it going? So I believe the owners probably live upstairs. So I want to show you all too, back here, there actually is parking. Of course, people are mowing, that's just but so all, like if the parking does get packed on the street, look at, there is a ton of parking here back behind the building, which is pretty cool. So you don't really run out of parking. So I should probably take my dog here. We actually use a mobile groomer at my house, but heck, you never know. So there you've got a Doodles and Whiskers pet spa. So if you've got a dog and you need to get them, whatever, get their fur cut and get them all cleaned up, you can take them here, which is pretty cool. They've got a second coffee shop. So this is called White Shepherd Coffee. I actually haven't been here yet, but I hear it's really good. So they got a nice like sitting area out there as well. So there's a view of that roundabout with the fountain. I mean, dang, it's just beautiful. We have got Thompson Station Armory. So if you're into guns and ammo and that type of thing, we've actually got a place right here where you can stop and you can order stuff or talk to him and see what he has in stock. Right here, there is a chiropractor, Longevity Chiropractic and Wellness Center. And then another dance, music, and theater type place. That's really cool. Okay, I am back. So now just to show you where I'm at, there is Tollgate Wine and Spirits back that way. This would be if you take a left and when you go into the neighborhood. This is actually Tollgate Medical Plaza. As you can see, it says Williamson Health, Bone and Joint Institute. And I think there's some other stuff in there as well. But just kind of showing you that there are some specialty medical type offices here. On my left, this is Liberty Federal Credit Union. I don't personally bank there, but actually I was driving by there yesterday and I thought, you know, that looks really nice. Maybe I should stop by and talk to them. It's just so close to my house and it looks nice. Do y'all bank at credit unions? Here's another shot. Williamson Health, Bone and Joint Institute, Elliston Way. All right, this I think is one of the best parts about Tollgate Village in my opinion. And that would be, let me keep going here. Okay, right up here in front of me, do y'all see that? It says Ace Hardware, right? It is not just any Ace Hardware. This, my friends, is Butters Ace Hardware. And it is absolutely phenomenal. I'm not gonna take you guys around the front over there, but when you walk in, it is one of those hardware stores that has just absolutely everything. They've got all sorts of lawnmowers, coolers, tools. They have clothes that they sell there and they're really nice, and hats, and of course any type of hardware or anything like that that you could possibly need. The employees are super nice. They're so helpful, just always upbeat, in a good mood. I love it. I go there all the time. And then this is something new that they're putting right here. In fact, you guys are gonna go with me and we are gonna figure out what this is right now, because it looks like they've got a sign up. Look at this, y'all. Future home, we need this too. Tollgate Mixed Use Vet Clinic. How awesome is that? Heck yeah. I love it. So cool. Guys, there you have it. That is the complete tour of the front section of Tollgate Village in Thompson Station. Hopefully that's helpful for you. If you're thinking about maybe moving here to Thompson Station and to Tollgate Village, I think that should hopefully give you a really good idea of what it's like here, at least in the front section. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.